Hi, I'm Paul Lacey, and this is a 150-watt power supply. It's a design powered by our new integrated LLC device, HiperLCS. LLC converters are a favorite high-power topology because they provide higher efficiency than a two-switch forward in a very compact footprint. But as a resonant converter, LLCs are notoriously difficult to design. With advanced protection features and unprecedented integration, HiperLCS takes the scary out of LLC converters. It incorporates up to 30 components in a single device, dramatically simplifying the design. And with a maximum switching frequency of 1 MHz, HiperLCS delivers the same power with the smallest transformers. And it does all this in a single package capable of up to 440 watts. HiperLCS is the next generation LLC converter, providing extremely small, high-efficiency designs. It's great for a number of applications, including PCs, LCD TVs, servers, networking and telecom devices, LED streetlights, and laser printers. For example, in this 80-plus PC Gold single output design, HiperLCS provides 95% efficiency at full load without synchronous rectification. When combined with our HiperPFS PFC front end, the entire system achieves more than 89% efficiency at full load. That's a margin of 3% above the 80-plus Gold specification. In a single package, HiperLCS includes two 530-volt power MOSFETs, both high-side and low-side drivers, an LLC controller, line input UV-OV shutdown, and brown-in, brown-out protection. We've eliminated many components, incorporating up to 30 discrete components required in existing designs into an easily mountable eSIP16C package. This reduces heatsink mounting hardware and allows for extremely low-profile designs, like this 150-watt LCD TV supply. The eSIP16C package also simplifies design with a ground-connected cold tab. HiperLCS also comes with a powerful new version of PIXLS, the first LLC design tool that provides a complete first-pass design for both the integrated transformer and resonant powertrain. The unique switching model used in PIXLS is accurate to within 3%. Compare that with the 15% error seen in most simplified AC models. This reduces redesign and helps you get a HiperLCS design from paper to production with the fewest iterations. At the same time, HiperLCS provides a huge degree of flexibility and customization, allowing designers to set limits on the maximum and minimum switching frequencies and safely adjust dead time to match powertrain requirements. Designers can also adjust the frequency at which the design enters burst mode. This allows you to optimize the powertrain for maximum efficiency while still maintaining regulation at zero load, even during input voltage swells. At Power Integrations, we know that size matters, so our amazing level of integration isn't the only thing we did to shrink design footprints. We designed HiperLCS to run up to very high frequencies. Running an LLC design at high frequency dramatically reduces the size of the transformer and output filter components. Electrolytic output capacitors are constrained in size by the minimum ripple current they carry in an LLC design. They're also bulky and unreliable in long lifetime designs. By switching at higher frequencies, we reduce the minimum output capacitance required, allowing designers to use reasonably sized ceramic capacitors instead. A high switching frequency reduces voltage spikes on the secondary, eliminating snubbers and allowing designers to use lower voltage diodes to save cost and improve efficiency. In a discrete driver system, build-to-build variations in design parasitics can cause timing mismatches between MOSFET drive signals, causing shoot-through and catastrophic failures. This danger has always been the primary constraint on LLC switching frequency until now. In HiperLCS, we've integrated both the high-voltage MOSFETs, drivers, level shift, and controller into a single device. That means we're able to control variations in the entire drive system, compensating for all parasitics. We also production trim dead time and duty cycle matching on each device. It allows us to run HiperLCS designs at a maximum full load switching frequency of up to 500 kHz, bringing all the benefits of high frequency operation to an incredibly safe, simple design. And for extremely high efficiency designs, we allow HiperLCS to switch at frequencies as low as 25 kHz as well. HiperLCS designers also benefit from our precise duty cycle trimming, which ensures excellent current sharing between the two output diodes and in the transformer secondary winding halves. This means you don't have to oversize the output diodes to accommodate for imbalances. It also reduces losses in the secondary windings, improving efficiency. HiperLCS comes with great safety and reliability features like soft start, over-temperature protection, 2 levels of primary overcurrent protection, including a fast shutdown for short circuits, and a slower one for output overload, brown in, brown out protection, and line UV-OV lockout. HiperLCS works beautifully with our high-efficiency HiperPFS PFC front-end, low-consumption TopSwitch JX standby supply, and energy-saving products like CapZero to provide a complete high-power solution, like this 320-watt PC all-in-one design with a PS3 form factor. With a high level of integration, excellent quality control, the best LLC design tools on the web, and switching frequencies between 25 kHz and 1 MHz, HiperLCS is the simplest, easiest LLC converter you'll find. Download the design software and see for yourself. To start your next high-power, high-efficiency design, please visit the HiperLCS page on the Power Integrations website to download datasheets, design software, and to order a reference design kit.